下多大雨，他们都是不打伞的，兄弟们啊，英国人不打伞。这边几个也是啊，你看啊，英国人是不打伞的，下雨不打伞啊，青春加勇敢啊。画面 ，Do you carry the umbrella before?
Yeah, I carried the umbrella before.
So why you not carry today?
I got caught.
OK，哪个？画面啊，哦，画面，青春勇敢，下雨不打伞。OK。英国人是不打伞的啊，不打伞的兄弟们啊，男男女女、老老少少是都是不打伞的啊。英国人下雨是不带伞啊，不带伞的，他们以带伞为耻啊，带伞为耻。这个根本啊，秃头秃成这样子也不带伞啊。这位兄弟在跑步也是啊，没有带伞啊，没有带伞。兄弟，你们这样子下雨下这么大，容易喷湿啊，容易喷湿啊，兄弟。多大的雨啊，他们都不带伞啊，男男女女都不带伞。这个是可能不是本国人。你看对面那个啊，对面那个啊，你看对面那个，不怕，他们不怕，不怕。Would you mind I ask you one question? They like why you know have a umbrella with you?
Can't be bothered.
Can't be bothered. How about you, boy? Come in there. Why you don't have an umbrella with you? Don't have one.